class 8 will continue with exercise 2.2 question number 11 onwards. Okay, so 11th one we are saying Bai Chung's father is 26 years younger than Bai Chung's grandfather and 29 years older than Bai Chung. Then sum of the ages of all three is given to you. What is age of each of them? So we can start by assuming any one's age and go on increasing or decreasing the remaining. So I have started it with assuming Bai Chung's age. Okay, so here I have said let Bai Chung's age be x years. Okay, we are starting with the youngest one. Then his father was said to be 29 years older, so father will become x plus 29. And it was said that father is 26 years younger to grandfather. So either we can say father is 26 years younger or maybe grandfather is 26 years older. Okay, so we can do it as adding 26 to the father's age, we can get grandfather's age. So grandfather's age would be, this was father's age, x plus 29, to that we are adding 26. So 29 plus 26, that becomes 55. So x plus 55 would be representing grandfather's age. Okay, now the sum of the three ages, so this is Bai Chung's age, father's age, grandfather's age, added together was given as 135. Then you simply know how to solve the equations. X plus x becomes 3x. Then 29 plus 55 will be added to give you 84. On the left, you take it to the right side. So 135 minus 84. Difference of 135 and 84 is 5 minus 4, 1. 13 minus 8, 5. And this was multiplying here. So to the other side, it will divide 51 by 3. That means x is 17. X was Bai Chung's age. So therefore we would say Bai Chung is 17 years old. Then father will be plus 29 to that. And grandfather will be plus another 26 to 46, or maybe x plus 55 as we had said. So 17 plus 55, that is he'll be 74 years old. Now for the 12th one, they have said 15 years from now Ravi's age will be 4 times his present age. What is his present age? Okay, so fine, in this question Ravi's present age is in question. We are starting by assuming the present age of Ravi as x. Then 15 years from now, about his age only we were talking. So after 15 years he will become x plus 15. And it was said that this age, after 15 years, he will be 4 times what he presently is. So after 15 years, that is x plus 15 should be 4 times present age is x. So that is how we get the equation. Then to solve it, we'll get x one side, numbers the other side. So it was 4x minus x. Usually I get x here, but because it was coming negative, so I have taken x to the right side. Makes no difference. Okay, so 4x minus x, that becomes 3x is equal to 15 left. So x is equal to 15 upon 3, that is 5. 3 5s are 15. So Ravi's present age is coming out to be 5 years. Now the 13th question goes, children, as a rational number is such that when you multiply it, means the rational number, by 5 by 2 and add 2 by 3 to its product, to this product, you get minus 7 by 12. What is the number? That's quite simple. We've done that in the first also. Very simple. So let the number required be, the rational number we are talking would be x. So let x be this rational number. Then it was said if the number is multiplied with 5 by 2, so it will become, the product will become 5 by 2x. That is how we write the product, multiplying the 2. Okay, and to this product we were adding 2 by 3. So 2 by 3 plus to it we get, means equals to minus 7 by 12. Solving is quite easy. Then you will get this rational number to this right side, so it will become negative. To solve it further, you need to take LCM. So this has remained as 12. So numerator also remains as minus 7. And this one has increased 4 times. 3 4s are 12. So this will also increase 4 times. So it will become 4 2s are 8. This numerator. So both numerators added together to give you minus of 15. Both were negatives. They will be added up. So 15 minus 15 upon 12 we are getting from here. And this, to find x, we need to remove this 2 and 5 from here. 2 was dividing, so we'll multiply on the other side. It was 5 was multiplying, we'll divide on the other side. So cancelling out whatever we can. 5 3s are 15, then 3 4s are 12. Karo ya first I've done 2, 6 are 12, and 3 2s are 6. Anyhow, you end up getting your rational number as minus 1 by 2. Now for the 14th one, children, okay, seems to be complicated, but it really isn't. Okay, so a little bit you have to focus. Lakshmi is a cashier in a bank. She has currency notes of denominations rupees 100, 50 and rupees 10. Three types of different notes are there with her. The ratio of the number of these, नंबर नहीं पता है आपको बट रेशियो पता है उसका. ओके, तो रेशियो ऑफ से 100:50 is to rupees 10 notes is 2:3 is to 5. The total money she has is 4 lakh. Then how many notes of each kind she has is your question. Okay, so this is how we'll go about it. Ratio was given to us already. The ratio of the number of different kinds of notes was 2:3:5. So we would say rupees 100 we have 2x. Ratio given, we multiply all of them by the same factor to assume the actual number. So we are assuming that first rupees 100 notes are 2 into x, rupees 50 are 3 into x, and rupees 10 would be 5 into x. That is how we'll start. Let the number of rupees 100 notes be 2x, of rupees 50 be 3x, and of rupees 10 be 5x. Because that ratio was given to us, we've multiplied each of them by x here. Okay, now to find the value of the money, okay, you have to multiply the number of notes by the value of the money, of the note, isn't it? Like if I give you a simple problem, I say you have 2 rupees 50 note, what would you say? The total amount you have is 50 into 200. Okay, if you have 15 notes of rupees 10, then how much amount do you have? 150 rupee. So that's simple arithmetic. Okay, that is what we've done here. So for the amount, we've multiplied the number of notes with the value of the note. So rupees 100 के हमारे पास 2x notes थे, 50 के 3x थे, and 10 के 5x थे. So we are multiplying them. Okay, so this much amount we get from rupees 100, this much from 50, and this much from rupees 10. So summing that up, this total amount was told to us was 4 lakh. Okay, so that is how it goes. So 2x into 100, 3x into 50, 5x into 10, because we had the value of the notes like that. So 2 into 100, that becomes 200x, this becomes 3 5s are 15, 150x, and from here 5 10s are 50x. Summing it up, this gives you 400x is equal to 4 lakh, or from here x is equal to 4 lakh upon 400. You cancel it out to get 1000. So therefore your question was कि how many notes of each kind she had. तो rupees 100 के कितने notes थे उसके पास? 2x, x हमने निकाल लिया 1000. So 2 into 1000, that is 2000. Then rupees 50 के थे 3 into 1000, 3000, and rupees 10 will be 5000. Okay. Next question is also on the same line, where they are saying I have a total of rupees 300 in coins of denominations rupees 1, 2 and 5 this time, and number of 2 coins is 3 times number of 5 coins, and also we know the total number of coins as 160. How many coins of each kind again do we have? So what do I need to do for this one now? See, उसने हमको बताया था find number of 2 coins in terms of number of rupees 5 coins. Okay, so I have started by assuming let rupees 5 coins be x. Then we were told कि rupees 2 के उसके 3 times हैं, तो rupees 2 के कितने हो जाएंगे? 3x. Okay, so we've started by rupees 5 coins being x, then rupees 2 coins will become 3x, because that was said in the question that rupees 2 coins are 3 times rupees 5 coins. All right, then in all we had 160 coins. Okay, so इतने हमारे x हो गए 5 के, 3x हो गए 2 के, and left over हो जाएंगे left over rupee 1 के. So left over, how do I get? The left over will be total coins was 160. From there I am subtracting rupee 5 coins and rupee 2 coins. So 160 minus x and minus 3x, that is 160 minus 4x. Minus x minus 3x gives you minus 4x. So these many we will have rupee 1 coin. हमारे पास 1, 2 and 5, 3 types के denominations थे. Okay, so now same way amount will be value of the money into its number. तो number of 1 rupee 1 के हमारे पास number of coins थे 160 minus 4x into 1, it will remain as same, into 1 is same. So 160 minus 4x, ये आ गया amount from rupee 1. rupee 2 से हमारा कितना आएगा? 3x coin थे, so 2 into 3x, and rupee 5 से x coins लिए थे हमने. All right, so multiplying the number with the value, and summing it up, I had rupees 300. So this total amount was rupees 300. That way. So 160 minus 4x as it is, and then 2 into 3x would make it 6x, and this would become 5x. Summing it up now again, 5 plus 6 both positive, plus 11 minus 4 gives you plus 7. 160 will go to the other side. 130 minus 160, that's 140 upon 7. You understand by now how to solve equations. So your x is coming out to be 20. So if x is 20, now you can evaluate. Rupee 1 का coin हमने represent किया था number 160 minus 4x. So 160 minus 4 into x has been taken out as 20. So 160 minus 4 into 20, that's 80. 160 minus 80, that's 80. Alright, then rupee 2 के हमने कहा था 3 times x है. So 3 into, this is your x, that is 60 coins of rupee 2, and x, that is 20 of rupees 5. The last question there, children. Now, organizer of an essay competition decided that the winner in the competition gets rupees 100 as prize, and the participant who does not win will get only rupees 25. Total prize money distributed turns out to be rupees 3000. You have to find the number of winners if the total number of participants in all were 63. Alright, now for that question, we had to find the number of winners. So we start by assuming that only. Let the number of winners be x. Then in all we had 63 participants. So if x win, remaining 63 minus x did not win. Fine. Now amount given for winners was 100. So 100 into x. If we had x winners, total winners को कितना money चला गया? 100 into x. And 63 minus x did not win, but 25 रुपये आपने उन्हें भी देने हैं. So 25 into 63 minus x. Non-winners into the amount and winners into their amount. This total amount spent was, or given out was, 3000. So that way you get your equation. Okay, so 100x comes as it is, 25 distributed inside, 25 into 63, that gives you 1575, and 25 into minus x makes it minus 25. So next 100 minus 25 makes this plus 75x, and this will go to the other side as minus. The difference is 1425 to be further divided by 75 to get x as 19. X was assumed as number of winners, and that is what we had to find. So if x is 19, we say our answer, the number of winners is 19.